Today, I'm going to take you to Pamukkale, a true wonder of planet Earth. When you approach from a distance, you might think Pamukkale is a snowy hill or even a glacier. But look closer and you will notice a true wonder of Mother Nature. Pamukkale's waters are rich in calcium carbonate, making the floors of the pools as soft as cotton. Actually, in Turkey, it's known as the Cotton Castle. It's not just another thermal spring, it's a geological marvel. These mineral-rich waters are naturally heated to 36 Celsius. From ancient times to modern days, people from around the world have come to Pamukkale for its healing and therapeutic effects. If the mineral-rich water will heal your body, then the idyllic vistas will heal your soul. White infinity ponds, clear blue water, and the magnificent ruins of Hierapolis will all make your experience in Pamukkale magical. Nearby is Laodicea, the antique city of extravagance and wealth, and home to one of the 7 churches of Asia mentioned in the book of Revelation. Discover all this and more in Turkey, home of Pamukkale.